In this video, we will look at how to reverse the door on the Electrolux front-load dryer. Electrolux stresses safety first when working on any appliance. Start by opening the door to a 90-degree angle. Using a number 2 square bit screwdriver, extract and save the trim plug and long coarse thread pan head screw. Close the door and rotate the door trim approximately 3/4 of an inch counterclockwise and pull it away from the front of the door. Next, on the trim piece itself, carefully unhook the tab on one side of this insert and slide out the other side. Reinstall the insert on the other side of the trim. Reopen the door to a 90-degree angle. Using a number 2 square bit screwdriver, extract 4 long coarse thread countersunk hinge screws from the door. While supporting the weight of the door with both hands, separate the door from the hinge. Gently place the door face down on a flat, covered work surface. Next, using a number 2 square bit screwdriver, remove these 2 long, coarse thread countersunk screws. Lift the latch plate from the door assembly. Then carefully lift up on the tab, securing the latch indicator in place, and remove it from the door assembly. On the other side of the door assembly, carefully lift up on the tab, securing the plug into place, and remove it from the door assembly. Install the latch indicator where the plug used to be, and install the latch plate over top the new location of the latch indicator. Install the plug where the latch indicator used to be. Next, using a number 2 square bit screwdriver, extract the 2 screws, securing the door strike to the front panel. Then take a putty knife and carefully pry up on these 2 tabs. Next, remove the door hinge by using a number 2 square bit screwdriver and extract these 2 short coarse thread pan head screws from the hinge plate. Then extract these 3 short fine thread countersunk screws. Remove the hinge and reinstall it on the opposite side. Reinstall both tabs on the other side along with the door strike. Then reinstall the door assembly. Next, reinstall the door trim and lock it into place by turning it 3/4 of an inch clockwise. Be sure that the trim is set correctly by double checking it with the door open. Reinstall the trim plug. This concludes the door reversal for the Electrolux front load dryer.